In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize the default deal name in HubSpot, step by step, in a way that's easy for beginners to follow. First of all, log into your HubSpot account and click on the gear icon to access your settings. Once you're inside, scroll down to find the Objects section and click on Deals. This is where you can manage everything related to your deals. Next, look for the option to customize the Create Deal form. Click on it, and a sidebar will appear with different settings you can adjust. Here, you can personalize the default name for your deals. You can use properties from your contacts or companies, and even add dynamic fields using brackets to automatically pull in information. This way, every new deal can have a consistent and informative name without needing to type it manually each time. After setting up your default deal name, make sure to save your changes. Now, whenever you create a new deal, it will follow the naming style you customized, making your HubSpot workflow more organized and efficient. And that's how you customize the default deal name in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.